Today I'm going to show you how to turn your handwriting into calculus equations in Microsoft Word. As note, I'm using Microsoft Word 2016 and I'm operating on Windows 10. Okay, so to start, we go to the Insert tab, click on Equation, and we go to Ink Equation. I prefer to make this box slightly larger, so we can write things. Maybe not slightly, I'd like to make it large so I can write my equations. We have the first equation being delta x equals b minus a all over n. And after you're done writing your equation, you click Insert. There's your equation. You can also create domain and range equations because you can use different brackets also. So, for an example of that, to make this larger, we have negative infinity, comma, 0. There's a square bracket, 9, comma, infinity. There we go. And there's a U. You select incorrect, which is whenever it does not put what you want and it makes it something else, you click the select incorrect, you lasso what you want, you click the option, then you insert. There's your equation. Next, I'll also be demonstrating you can also insert integrals. We have 1 over b minus a. Select incorrect. Thinks my a is a 9. Want it to be an a. You select the right. The integral from a to b of f of x. There we are. There's our equation. Insert. With a definite integral, it won't put your equation in the blank area here. So to fix that, you highlight your equation, you copy it, go to the blank space, and you paste it. Then you delete your extra part. You do not want to delete your function, just the extra part that you do not want. Next, I will be showing that you can also do a Riemann sum. So, how to do that? I equals 1. Select incorrect. I want my I to be an I, not a 1. Of n of delta x times f of x. Insert. Whoop. There we are. Okay. Go back to the Insert tab. Go to Equations, Ink Equations. We are going to be adding a limit next. Limit as h approaches 0 of f of a plus h. Selecting correct. A. Right. Minus f of a all over h. Selecting correct again. H. There we go. Insert equation. Back to Insert Tabs. Click the equation, click Ink Equation. Make this bigger. You can also do derivatives. D of dx sine x equals cosine x. There you are. Go ahead and insert your equation, and there you have it. Go to the equation, Ink Equation. You can also do logs, which are fairly simple. Log A of u. With this, go here. You want it to be a log. There you are. Insert. You can also square things as well as insert pi. Like, make this bigger. Like this. V equals pi r squared h. Selecting correct. Want this to be pi. And there we have it. That is all of the equations that I have for you to demonstrate. So I hope you learned how to insert equations into Microsoft Word. Hope you have a nice day.